remote controlled monster truck.
It's a range of up to 100 feet and it runs for 30 minutes, which isn't really long. 4 batteries for the car and 4 batteries for the car, 2 batteries for the remote control. Alright, let's open it up. And open it up. Let's open it up. We'll cut that part.
Your hand is floppy.
Oh, okay, there you go. This is a yellow Ford F-150.
Oh, you feel it. Feel it.
Wait. Hang on, this doesn't really work. We have what's this? We have the instructions. This is what the remote control looks like. How it works. We need to. And this is the truck.
And this is the truck.
Let's see. How to open this. It's really easy to take off. So no, there are toys that has screws. This one is actually pretty easy. Just tape and these kind of screws, like these plastic screws, which are really easy to take off. And having said that, there you go. Okay. Okay, so on the bottom here, this is the wheel adjuster. This is where the batteries is. You do need a screwdriver to open the battery compartment. It says here 27 megahertz, so standard remote control frequency. It is kind of plasticky. It's very light. The antenna here.
What's the antenna for?
Huh?
What's the antenna for?
The antenna is for receiving the signal from the radio control. Nice. On the front, so it looks like on the front.
In the back.
Yeah.
Back.
Yeah. Awesome. Awesome details on this. Okay. Now just take a screwdriver to open it up. So it has this plastic bumper at the front. That's really good because you know we like to crash our trucks a lot. Alright. Okay. Oh, go. From your leg. Keep going. Oh, awesome.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos of the monster truck.